Building smarter starts with stronger, lighter, and faster solution. Welcome to Luftcrete Philippines, the country's first autoclaved lightweight concrete wall panel.
In this video, we will show you how to properly install our Luftcrete panels step by step.
Luftcrete panels are designed for precision and efficiency. Each panel is lightweight yet durable compared to traditional hollow blocks, which makes installation faster without compromising strength and quality.
Before installation, make sure that all your materials and tools are ready.
First, prepare the layout, mark where the panels will be installed and fixed. Ensure properly that the slab is level. If not, use the mortar to level the panel base, as this mortar will also ensure joint sealing between the panel and the slab. Drill holes for both the panel and slab if dowels are not pre-existing. Put epoxy on the dowels and place the panel properly. Secure the panels in place for fastening the dowels to it. Use the wires or weld the dowels. Fill the gaps and joints with mortar. Use a trowel to make sure that the filling are compact and level.
For the succeeding inner panels, apply moisture between tongue and grooves before putting a 2 to 3 mm thick mortar. Using force and or rubber mallets to push the interlocking joints, use tools like shoring jack for both support and leveling. Fill the gaps with mortar. Make sure that they are leveled before letting them cure. Repeat process until the entire span is filled. Make necessary adjustments if needed. For interior walls, you can directly apply skim coating and paint after curing period. For exterior walls, apply primer and waterproofing agents before skim coating and paint. For mid to high-rise buildings, you must put seismic gaps and PU sealants.
With Luftcrete panels, you save time, reduce labor, and build with confidence.
Lightweight, durable, and efficient.
Luftcrete Philippines, building the future, one panel at a time.